My room is a hot mess. Yikes. So in today's video, we're going to talk about something that is subtly related to menswear, and that is your mindset, your mental state. Because look, I can come on here and review all kind of brands. I can wear a custom suit, a bespoke suit. I can look fresh to death. But if I ain't right up here, all that means nothing. So let's talk about it. It's been a year. Right now you're watching this video, it's March 2021. It was March 2020 when the world just shut down due to this pandemic. And it has taken a toll on everybody in some sort of way, whether it's financially, physically, emotionally. You know, some people have lost jobs, houses. Some people have lost family members due to this crazy pandemic. And that can take a toll on your mindset. You know, I've gone through my own little thing over the last year that I didn't have the motivation to make videos. I didn't have the motivation to just go through life. It was just like, ugh. But you know, you gotta pull yourself out of that. I'm a believer that your inner world creates your outer world. So if your room, if your car, if your house is messy, it's a good chance that you're not all the way 100% there. And I believe both worlds can influence each other. Your inner world can influence your outer world. Your outer world can influence your inner world. One way that I've seen how my outer world can influence my inner world is just clean up. Just clean up, and you feel better when you clean up. So that's what I'm gonna do, especially in a place like this where this is my studio, if you will. It's just an extra room in my house where I record videos for you guys. I need this place to be in the best atmosphere that it could possibly be, so that I could be in the best creative space to make videos for you guys. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna revamp this room with the help of that right there. My friends over at Success Hunters sent me something that I hope to show with you guys at the end of the video. But first, let's just trash everything and just change the color of this room. I don't like it. Let's get started. All right, y'all, I am ready to start painting. I got my paint over here. It's like a grayish paint. I'm already started masking the wall a little bit, so come along on this journey. Alright, so I just got done with this side of the wall. So it's gonna be a grayish tint. Speaking of Fitman style, painting is a workout. Like, I'm sweating, can you see that? That's from doing one side. So I'm not gonna bore you guys to show you how I'm gonna paint the whole room. You guys will see how it will turn out, but just wanna give you a preview. That's what it's gonna look like. And yeah, wait till you see the rest of the room. so here's the new room. Well, same room, but a little bit of changes here. Took a couple days to do this. So the first day was painting. I did the paint, and the second day I rearranged the room, just moved some things around. But I like how this room is right now. It gives me a whole new feeling. Like, I feel good about it. Only thing I don't like is the echo, so I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna deal with that. I got some soundproof foam. But now that the room is complete, let's open that up and see what Success Hunters sent me. Alright guys, so there it is. A little bit crooked, but I'll fix that later. But I love the message that this art gives out. It all goes back to what I said in the beginning of this video, that your mind has to be in the right place. You can put on the most expensive clothes, but if your mind isn't right, then it just doesn't matter. So mindset definitely matters. Let's go a little bit closer. I like this canvas. It's on a wooden plank. It's a really thick plank too. Yeah, and that's what it's all about. Mindset matters. Do you know what this also tells me? It tells me it doesn't matter how the world sees you. All that matters is how you see yourself. Isn't that cool? So Success Hunters, I appreciate you. It's gonna be the first thing I see when I walk into my room. So when I walk into my studio, I'm walking in, excuse the lights, of course I'm recording. I'm walking in, that's my bookshelf, my desk right there. I walk in and bam. So shout out to Success Hunters. You guys definitely gotta check them out. They have a whole bunch of art just like this that will best suit you. But yeah, definitely love this one. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Big shout out to Success Hunters for sending that over. I really do believe in that mindset matters. And, it will serve as a reminder for me anytime I come into this room, which is every day, that, my mindset is what matters. I hope this video serves as a reminder to you guys that, one, we're going to be all right. I know it's been a tough year with COVID and being quarantined. It has affected all of us, some more than others, but we will get through this. And second, I hope this serves as a reminder to just go out and do something, whether it's working out, rearranging your room, painting your room, like just doing the little things in this room, like painting and moving stuff around. I just feel better already. Clean your house, clean your apartment, go clean your car. It's the little things that you do that will compound over time and positively impact your mindset. So hope you guys get some inspiration from this video. Thank you again for watching. I'm gonna put a link down in the description for Success Hunters. I will catch you guys next week, same time, same place. And as always, stay fly, stay fit.